unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Magazines should be crafted with the reader in mind, featuring engaging content that resonates with their interests and needs. Each article should be well-researched and fact-checked to ensure reliability. The layout should be visually appealing, incorporating high-quality images and graphics to complement the text. It's crucial to maintain a consistent tone and style throughout, tailored to the magazine's target audience. Interactive elements like quizzes or infographics can enhance reader engagement. Always keep the content fresh and relevant, with a mix of in-depth features, short news items, and columns to cater to a broad spectrum of reader preferences.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.